In this video, I will show you how to add a payment method in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads account. Next, go to the left portion of your screen and locate Billing and Payments from the menu list. You will then be redirected to your billing dashboard. Scroll down until you find Payment Methods and click on Add Payment Method. A pop-up window will appear showing different options for payment methods. Choose your preferred payment method, enter the required amount, and click Next. You will then be redirected to your billing method account to confirm your payment details. After completing the process, a QR code may appear for verification. Once finished, you will be automatically redirected back to your main Meta Ads dashboard, and your payment method will now be added successfully. And that's how to add a payment method in Meta Ads Manager.